Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to our channel. So today we'll be going to have a look at how to do an positional trade, which is also even suitable for the working professionals. So this is just like a buy and hold, and we need to do some adjustments in between if our trade goes wrong. Okay, so I'll be going to tell you guys so that you can consistently make an return every month by doing this simple strategy. Okay, so this is our channel, friends. So here we have uploaded lot many videos even for intraday option strategies for nifty, bank nifty, and also we have consistently uploading the analysis, live analysis, and also we'll be placing then multiple option strategies so that you can go through and do your own trade. So also like we have some investment strategies as well. So like here you can see nifty investment strategies and how to hedge your positions and how to buy low, sell high. So all those videos we have posted here, so please go through this. So even we have multiple crude oil strategies as well, and also for both for intraday and positional for indexes and stocks as well. Okay, so please go through this so that you guys can um, get multiple educational contents in our channel. Okay. Okay, so this is our we're entering into one strategy now. So best positional trade to earn consistent returns. Okay, so this is our channel. Let's learn trading, and this is my Twitter ID. So it will be we have posted in our descriptions as well. So please do follow us so that you will be getting the notifications whenever we upload any new videos, and also we'll be posting multiple live charts as well. So please do follow us. And there is a disclaimer that so this post is only for an educational content, and this is not an recommendations to either buy or sell any stocks. Okay, so earn good returns each month. So I have shown an example here using the nifty index, but you can do this in the stock as well. Okay, so while you are doing in the stock, make sure that you have choose the liquid stocks to trade. Okay, so which should have some good liquidity in both future and options. Okay, so the strategy is, so buy the nifty future for the current month. For example, now the nifty future of July month is trading at the level of 10,332 rupees. Okay, and also sell one in the money call option at the price of 10,300, which is at the price of 316. Okay, so this is the initial setup. So if you are going to trade after the 20th of the month, and we have just like 5-6 days for the expiry, then you can do this strategy for the next month. Okay, so don't do it in a current month. So this strategy we should initiate whenever we have a more time value in the options. Okay, so here we have bought the nifty July future at the level of 10,332, and we have sold one in the money call option at the price of at the strike price of 10,300 at 316 rupees. Okay, so we have collected the premium of 316. Okay, and also it's having the time value of around 280 rupees. Okay, so now we are done with the initial setup for this strategy. Okay, so then after that we have to do some adjustments if our trade goes against us. Okay, so the adjustment is like whenever the nifty move below 10,300, which is the level of the call option strike which we sold, then close your nifty future and stay with the sold call option. Okay, so if nifty come back again to 10,300, then buy back the nifty future. So this is the simple adjustment. Okay, so whenever the nifty is going below 10,300, you have to close the nifty future and stay only with the sold call option, and whenever the nifty tends to move above the 10,300, then again you buy the nifty future. Okay, so we need to close and open the future whenever the price moves below or above the or sold price sold option strike price level. Okay, so this is the option record for this strategy. So now let's have a look at the payoff for this current month. For example, if on the expiry day, if the nifty expired at the level of 10,800, then our future will give us the profit of 468 point, and we will incur the loss of 184. Means like the price of the call option will be at the level of 500, but in here we have collected the premium of 316, so we'll be having only the loss of 184 points, right? So we'll be in the profit of 284 point. Okay, so if it moves to the 10,300 level, then we'll be in here we have closed our future with the loss of 32 point, and we'll be getting the sold call options level will be at the price of 0, so we'll be having the profit of 316 point here, so we'll be getting the profit of 284. And if, let's say example, if the price expires at the price of 10,400, then we'll get the profit of 68 rupees from future, and we'll be getting the profit of 216 point. So here the sold call option will be at the price of 100, so anyhow we have sold it for 316 points, so we'll be getting the profit of 216 points, right? So overall we'll be getting the profit of 284 points. So if the expiry is at the level of 10,200, then anyhow we have closed the future at the point of at the price of 10,300, so we'll be getting the loss of 32 points here, and we'll be getting the 316 points from the sold put option. Even if the market goes to 10,100 or wherever the market moves, we'll be getting this 284 point as our profit. And even if the market goes to 11,000 or 12,000, even something happens and market moves to 12,000 rupees, 12,000 price level, then also will be whatever the loss occurs in our sold call option, we'll be going to get that from our future price, right? So wherever the market leads, will be in the profit of 284 points. Okay, so this is a simple positional trade strategy. So only thing you have to do is, whenever the price comes to your comes down to your sold call option strike price, you need to close your price. So only drawback from this strategy is if the market opens more than like 200-300 points of gap down, then we'll incur some losses. So other than that, this strategy will give you one consistent profit. So even we have a cushion of downside cushion of like around 280 points, which we have in a which we have received as a premium from the sold call option. So even if the market opens 200 plus point 250 points gap down, then also we don't have much losses in this strategy. Okay, so if it opens more than that level, only then we'll start bleeding. So if it opens more than 300-400 points as a gap down, then better you can close this trade with whatever the loss is there, from whatever the loss is there, and you can come out of the trade. Okay, so this is a simple strategy, guys. So please do subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. So also we'll be having multiple strategies, intraday strategies and positional strategies, and also option strategies, which are we have planned to upload in the in the upcoming days. So subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notifications whenever we upload any new videos. So thanks for watching, friends.